Hi, this is Matt from Lost Creek Machine. Today I have a DoAll model DH-612 manual surface grinder. It has a 1 horsepower 3-phase motor. Can be wired for either 230 or 460. Currently it is 230. It has a Walker permanent magnetic chuck, 6" by 12". Has good pull and good release. The x-axis can be moved to the right side as well. Y-axis seems smooth and free. One-shot lube. Have some extra wheel adapters with it. Push button magnetic starter. Spindle is smooth and quiet. Light's busted. Thanks for looking.